Okay, this is the look round room 117 at St George's Hotel, Llandudno, Wales, and it's a premier sea view suite with balcony. So as you come in through the door, you've got this little like corridor bit between the bedroom on the left and then the kind of the living area and sofa bedroom. So that's a sofa bed in here. So technically you could have it as 2 bedrooms. It's a nice little living area. View out the back of the hotel is not up to much, but that's right because the one at the front is. Big television, desk. There's chairs in the corner. Plenty of storage space. And then through into the main bedroom. Say hello, Scott.
Hello, Scott.
Phone and lamp by the bed, another lamp the other side. Huge room, big tall ceilings. Again, another big television. You got the tea and coffee, there's your kettle, things down there. There's your fridge. It is only a fridge, it's not a mini bar. It's just a fridge, there's nothing in it. Another desk, a lamp in the mirror. Cannot get over how big that bed is. That is a king size, but it does, you can see it splits in the middle, so it can be put as a twin. Bathroom. Obviously toilet, sink, vanity area, mirror, bath, full bath, and big walk-in shower there, heated towel roll, and of course you get the LMS toiletries, and the bathrobes are hanging on the back of the bathroom door. And then this I like. As you come through the bedroom, and the hairdryer is in the desk drawer. Yeah. And there's a guest comment card, some writing paper, and there's a little pencil, and the breakfast room service, which I can see they charge extra for, but you can tick off what you want and leave it on your door handle, and they'll bring it to you in the morning. Yeah, there is a step up, so you have to watch that, but step up and out onto the balcony. Nice views over Llandudno seafront. So it's not a private balcony because the other rooms have their balconies all on one, whereas the rooftop rooms at the top, of course, as if you've seen my other video, you know that the balconies up there are private. But it's very nice, I have to say. So there you go, room 117, preview sea view suite with balcony at St George's Hotel, Llandudno, Wales. deadly quiet tonight, unlike last night. But lovely view, still the same. And even, I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but right away out in the distance there is an offshore drilling platform. Lovely views over Llandudno at night, sitting out here.